Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you top 5 language to learn in 2023. So guys, now let's begin. So number 1 is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages, and guys also it is one of the easiest programming language to learn. With Python we can do many things like machine learning, AI, web development, app development, game development. But guys, here Python is mostly popular for machine learning, AI and web development. So guys, also machine learning is one of the most trending topic in 2023, and guys also it will be a most trending topic in the future. So guys, if you learn programming, then you can start with Python. Number 2, Java. Java is one of the most popular programming language, and guys also with Java you can do app development. So guys, if you can do Android app development, then you can start with Java. And guys also here Java is harder than Python, and guys but if you learn Java, then other programming language will be easier to learn. Number 3, JavaScript. With JavaScript you can develop websites, and guys almost 90% website use JavaScript. And guys here if you learn JavaScript, then guys you can create many websites, and guys also with JavaScript you can create web games and many things. Nowadays also apps are created using JavaScript. Number 4 is C++ and C. With C and C++ you can do many things, but guys here many people learn C and C++ to build up their logic. So guys, if you start with C and C++, then every programming language will be easier. And guys also with C and C++ you can do game development. And guys now number 5 is C#. C# is one of the most popular, and guys also it is modern programming language, and guys it is closer to C, C++ and Java. So guys, if you have learned already Java or C++, then C# will be easier to learn. And guys with C# you can do game development. So guys here if you can do game development, then C# will be best. Now guys here, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So now bye, and guys also please make sure to subscribe.